Hello, welcome to historic Brattonsville. I brought out some of my friends here, and we're going to show you some historic field games.
Hoop rolling is a game where children roll a hoop and try to keep it upright as it rolls. There are many set rules of this game, some where you can see who keeps rolling the longest, another where you set up a course and have a race, and some where you just let the hoops go wherever it wants. This game was popular in the ancient world and all the way up until the early 20th century. Hoop rolling was a popular game among children.
Annie Over is a popular game among classes in the 19th century. It is a favorite here at Brattonsville. The game is where a group of players are split into two teams that position themselves on opposite sides of a sloped, roofed building. One team will have a ball. Historically, this ball would be made out of pigskin and stuck with wool. Then the team with the ball will yell Annie Over as they throw the ball over the building to the other team. If someone on the other team catches the ball before it hits the ground, the person who caught it will run over to the team and try to tag one of the other players. If the player is tagged before they make it back to their side, they will join the other team. If they don't catch the ball, they will yell Annie Over and throw the ball back, and play continues in this cycle.
Races was a popular game among young women and girls in the 18th and 19th century. It was said to teach them grace and agility. This would likely have been a game played by the girls attending the Bratton Female Seminary. The game has simple rules. People will break into a pair or make a circle and will toss and catch a ring using two sticks, called Grace's sticks. The goal of this game is to keep the chain of throwing and catching going as long as possible.
Thank you for joining us. If you want to learn more about children's activities, please join us April 22nd for Children's Day on the Farm.